How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're opening the latest Seasons Tackle Walleye box for May 2021. I, like all of you, pay full price for this box. I don't get any special discounts. So let's go ahead and open it up. We've got the same two things as last time, a thank you card as well as the owner's business card. Tissue paper in the box. I don't remember there being tissue paper last time, but I think it's a great touch. We got the Seasons Tackle. I think this is the spring or their summer sticker. They have like 4 different colors I saw. We've got Seanor's custom painted baits. This looks like a big rip and wrap is what it looks like to me. I love the design on it, red and white. Not sure if you can hear the rattle in it, but it does rattle. That's a pretty sweet bait. I will for sure be using that this year for my walleyes. We've got a 1492 company, catching and hitting dingers since 1985. Really pretty. 2 red treble hooks. Well Bait Co. And inside of it, we've got 2 jigs with little spinners on them. I'll let you see close up here. Not too bad. Those will come in handy with the plastic. Then we've got Ripper Minnow. This is the 3/4 ounce from Wapsie Lure, it looks like. This is this guy right here. As you can see, top hat jigs. So these are gonna be white heads, gold hooks. Pretty nice. 1/4 ounce jigs again. These ones are from Z+3 Enterprises. So I'll show you these guys. They look like they're in orange with like a black and yellow eye on them. RL Custom Baits. We've got another lipped crankbait type thing with a little rattle ball in the bottom. You can kind of see it there. Pretty nice. Another one from RL Custom Baits. Bright green, I really like that color. High Tech with the lip on the front, 2 red treble hooks, pretty big size. Another one from High Tech. This is a little bit smaller size one, custom painted baits, High Tech. I like the orange, yellow, blue, nice color. I like the bright, bold colors. Probably work really well in like stained water or in middle of the day to stand out and really capture that sunlight. We've got one here from Northern Lights Tackle. This is like a purple into a pink and yellow. We've got 2 treble hooks on the bottom. Nice coloring. We've got Larry's Walleye Tackle, Smithwick Suspending, purple. It's translucent, almost transparent with yellow on the bottom. It says it's the top 20 Rogue, 20 to 22 foot depth, 5.5 inches, 5/8 ounce. Really professional packaging. Props to them. Then we've got some Kill Zone Mini fishing system. So all you have to do is you have your line coming down with your weight that hits bottom, and you put this probably clamping onto, yeah, it looks like it clamps onto the line, whatever height off the bottom you want, and you can tie a line to the end of this with your bait so you can drag it a certain distance off the bottom. That is actually really cool. Looks pretty involved. That should be fun to try. Premier Custom Tackle Co. It looks like we've got a jig. Looks like a lead jig, red hook. Next up we have Premier Custom Tackle Co. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different jigs. We've got red hooks, yellow, bunch of different colors in there. You can kind of see, really nice. J&K Tackle, Captain J's Blade Baits. One of the flat blade baits. This is pink and yellow dots on it. 2 treble hooks. Ooh, look at this. Seasons Tackle. This looks like a buff. Yeah, this is like a neck buff. Pretty nice. Good idea for branding. Get a bunch of people out there with your brand on it wearing it. That's pretty slick. Lake Hoppin' Custom Baits Plastics. Smack'em Baits. More plastics, paddle tail. You can see the multicolored fleck inside of it. Really cool. Stand slip bobbers. We got another one. We got one last month in our mystery box. So he must have a lot of these. These have the metal tip. You supposedly don't need to have a bead with this. You just put the tie on itself. And then inside of the box, we've got a couple of loose jigs. So we've got actually 4 of those. Hold on, found another one. We've actually got a 5th one. Here's everything that we have from the box, all spread out for you so you can see everything. I'll put on the screen my calculated price, retail price of what each of these would run for if you paid full retail for them, and the price that I paid for the box, as you guys can as well. So hopefully this was helpful to you. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, take her easy.